All right, ready to go. They are off, so they've got 5 minutes. Okay. They've picked and dropped their first diseased apple. This design looks somewhat similar to some of the other robots that we've seen in the sense of the materials that they're using. It looks like a Lego product. Though they've went with a design that has picking arms and sensors on both sides, so they only need to pass through the course once. And it looks like they are about to make their first row change successfully. They've made the first turn. We'll see if they can get lined up on the next row. Yeah, looks good. So it's approaching 2 red apples. The idea is that they're going to pick and hold both those ripe apples. Looks like they've done that successfully. So they've got cameras on each of the picking arms that they're using to identify the color of the apple, and then they've got a camera right at the top where they're dropping the apple into momentarily, and they're using that to decide whether that apple gets dropped into a hopper on the robot or dropped onto the ground. And again, they want to drop the diseased apples, the blue apples, onto the ground and hold onto the red ripe apples, leaving the green unripe apples behind. So they've just passed the 1 minute and 40-second time. They made another successful turn. They're lined up on the second to last row. Appropriately left the green apples behind and picking the red apples and holding on. They've just passed the 2-minute mark. It's made its first 90-degree turn. One more. They'll be lined up on the last row. 2.5 minutes. So in their last row, picked and dropped the diseased blue apple. Picked and held on to the ripe apple and successfully dropped the blue diseased apple. Picked and held the last ripe apple. We'll see if they can knock off and drop this blue apple. Leave on the 2 remaining unripe apples. Great job. That was 3 minutes and 7 seconds. Good job, guys.